There is a profound, undeniable power in the way a Black woman carries herself as she enters her prime. And your hair is the crown that narrates your story before you even speak a word. For many of us reaching the age of 60 or more, we notice that the styles we loved in our 30s simply don't serve the radiance we possess today. You haven't lost your glow. Perhaps you are just wearing a silhouette that is casting a shadow over your features instead of illuminating them. A haircut is more than just a trim. It is a structural lift for your face that can instantly restore vitality and subtract a decade from your appearance. Today, we are exploring 3 specific haircuts that act like an immediate facelift for the elegant Black woman, alongside 3 common mistakes that might be inadvertently aging you. Before we dive into these transformative styles, I invite you to join our growing community of sophisticated women by liking this video and subscribing so you never miss a guide on looking your absolute best. And tell me in the comments where you're watching the video from. I love to know that. To understand where we are going, we must first look at the styles that are quietly working against you. Many women reaching 60 or more find themselves stuck in a comfort zone of lengths and shapes that were trendy decades ago. But the way our hair behaves and the way our skin sits changes over time. The first haircut you should avoid is the heavy, one-length blunt bob that hits right at the jawline without any internal movement. While a sharp bob is often associated with power, on a mature face, that rigid horizontal line acts like a pointer, drawing the eye directly to any loss of elasticity in the neck and jaw area. It creates a weighted effect that drags the features downward rather than lifting them up. For Black women, our hair's natural density is a gift, but in a blunt, heavy cut, it can become a literal weight that hides the elegant structure of your cheekbones. Instead of looking chic, it can look like you are hiding behind a curtain of hair. The second style to reconsider is the overly structured, stiffly permed helmet look. We grew up in an era where every hair had to be perfectly in place, often achieved with heavy chemicals and high-heat styling that left the hair looking immobile. When hair doesn't move, it looks unnatural and, unfortunately, very dated. Mature beauty thrives on softness and the appearance of health. A style that is frozen in place by hairspray or over-processing lacks the youthful vitality that comes from natural bounce and shine. Furthermore, over-processed hair often leads to thinning at the temples, a common concern for women 60 or more. By clinging to these stiff, outdated silhouettes, you are missing the opportunity to let your hair breathe and reflect the light. These styles create a harshness that emphasizes fine lines rather than softening them. We want to move away from anything that looks forced or heavy, and instead look toward cuts that celebrate the unique texture and volume that only we possess, creating a frame that celebrates your age without being defined by it. The third style to exercise caution with is the excessively long, unshaped mane that lacks layers or a defined silhouette. While long hair is often associated with youth, when it reaches 60 or more, hair that is too long and thin can actually drain the vibrancy from your face, pulling the eye downward and making the facial structure appear elongated and tired. For the Black woman, our hair's unique texture requires intentional shaping to prevent it from looking weighed down. Transitioning away from these pitfalls allows us to embrace the first haircut that truly makes you look 10 years younger, the tapered natural cut. This is a masterpiece of geometry and softness. By keeping the hair shorter on the sides and at the nape of the neck, while maintaining beautiful height and volume on top, you create an immediate upward diagonal line that mimics the effect of a surgical lift. This cut celebrates your natural curl pattern, whether you prefer a tight coil or a softer wave, and it puts your stunning bone structure on center stage. It is sophisticated, modern, and incredibly easy to maintain, allowing your confidence to shine through without the need for hours of styling. If you are finding these insights helpful and want to see more content tailored specifically to your journey of elegance, please take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments below and hit that notification bell so you are always the first to know when we share new beauty secrets. The tapered cut works so well because it removes the bulk from the areas that tend to sag and adds fullness where we want to see life, at the crown. It creates a youthful silhouette that feels fresh and intentional. When you walk into a room with a tapered cut, you aren't just wearing a hairstyle. You are making a statement that you are vibrant, relevant, and deeply in tune with your own beauty. This style allows for incredible versatility with accessories and earrings, further drawing attention to your radiant skin and sparkling eyes, ensuring that your look is as timeless as it is contemporary. Moving forward into the next level of transformation, we arrive at the second power cut for women 60 or more, the layered curly pixie with soft fringe. This is the ultimate choice for the woman who wants to balance a playful spirit with high-end sophistication. Unlike the flat bobs we discussed avoiding, the layered pixie uses your natural volume to create a halo of softness around the forehead and eyes. By incorporating shorter, intentional layers throughout the crown, we encourage the hair to spring upward, providing that essential lift that defies gravity. The addition of a soft, wispy fringe is a masterstroke for anti-aging. It delicately masks forehead lines while drawing incredible focus to your eyes, making them appear larger and more alert. This cut is particularly stunning on Black women because it allows the light to catch the different dimensions of our curls, creating a sense of depth and movement that flat, one-length cuts simply cannot achieve. If you have embraced your silver or salt and pepper transition, this layered texture makes those highlights pop like expensive threads of silk. The third haircut that serves as a fountain of youth is the modern, rounded afro. This isn't the oversized shape of the past, but a perfectly tailored, sculpted sphere that follows the natural curvature of your head. It provides a sense of fullness and health that is often lost with age, giving the illusion of much thicker hair. The rounded shape softens the angles of the face, providing a glow that feels organic and effortless. It communicates a deep sense of self-love and cultural pride that is inherently youthful because it radiates confidence. When your hair looks this healthy and well-maintained, it changes how the world perceives your age. They see a woman who is vibrant and thriving. To continue refining your personal style and ensuring your wardrobe matches the elegance of your new look, you really should click the link appearing in the card above right now. It will take you to a specialized guide on fashion for Black women that will help you harmonize your outfits with these stunning hairstyles for a truly transformative result. Choosing the right cut is the foundation, but the true secret to looking 10 years younger at 60 or more lies in the professional execution and the daily ritual of moisture and shine. One of the most common reasons a great haircut fails to achieve its anti-aging potential on Black women is a lack of defined hydration, which can make the hair look dull or gray in a way that feels neglected rather than intentional. To keep your new tapered cut or layered pixie looking like you just stepped out of a high-end salon, you must prioritize the health of your scalp and the elasticity of your strands. As we age, our scalp produces fewer natural oils, making our textured hair even more prone to dryness. Using a silk or satin wrap at night isn't just a tradition. It is a vital beauty strategy to prevent friction and frizz that can make a modern cut look messy and dated. Additionally, the way you use products should change as you move through your 60s. Instead of heavy waxes that weigh the hair down and fill in the gaps between your curls, opt for lightweight botanical oils and leave-in conditioners that provide a luminous sheen. Light reflection is the hallmark of youthful hair. When your hair reflects light, it casts a healthy glow onto your skin, acting like a natural highlighter for your complexion. For those of you rocking your natural silver, using a violet tone cleanser once a week will ensure your white strands stay crisp and bright, preventing the yellowing that can happen from environmental pollutants. Remember, a youthful appearance is built on the details of maintenance. When your edges are softly groomed and your curls are defined and bouncy, the message you send is one of high-value self-care. It tells the world that you are a woman who invests in herself, and that level of polish is what truly creates an ageless aura. These professional habits ensure that your haircut doesn't just look good on day one, but remains a consistent tool in your beauty arsenal that keeps you looking vibrant, refreshed, and undeniably elegant every single day of the year. Your hair is the most visible expression of your journey, and at 60 or more, you deserve a style that honors your history while celebrating your present vitality. By moving away from heavy, stagnant shapes and embracing the lift and light of these modern cuts, you aren't just changing your look, you are reclaiming your radiance. True beauty is found in the confidence to evolve and the wisdom to choose what truly illuminates your features. You are in your most powerful era, and your crown should reflect that undeniable glow. To continue your transformation and discover the sophisticated secrets to elevating your presence every single day, click on the video appearing on your screen right now. Let's explore more ways to enhance your natural elegance and ensure you feel as beautiful and vibrant as you truly are. I will see you there.